Yo, I told you drugs. No, I told you.
What the fuck?
Hey, watch yourself.
I know, watch. Look at this shit. No, look at this shit.
Drugs, man, drugs. Drugs. Blame everything on drugs. What the fuck? You're a funny.
What the fuck? 4 fucking
I love you.
4 fucking times.
I love that guy. I love it. It's funny. It's funny. Hey, it's good vlog footage, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's funny.
He's in the car. Hold on, watch this shit. Oh shit, you're right. That is a Honda.
Like I said, the lights make it look like an accident.
See, you don't vlog, do you?
No. I just take pictures for fun. Actually, this is my wife.
Yeah.
She never used it, so I just kind of took it.
Stole it.
She never fucking used it, so I wanted to buy it.
Hey.
Or, you know, $500 camera, and never use it. I'm using shit. Fuck it.
Yo, him's doing skateboard things. What was he doing? He's damaging property.
It's my bumper. I get to do whatever I want with it.
It doesn't matter. Where am I pointing to? Wait.
You're pointing to the
Subi's
house.
over there. Subi's over there. Our crew over here. And Mustang over there. And I don't know about them. This is yes. This is yes. This is this. Here is no. It's like what the fuck? Okay, yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Oh. Yeah, I love you too. No! Hold up. It was like a Mustang. I think I think that was him. It was like, no, he had dark windows, but it was like a Mustang that looked like that. Like his back light was like dark. Like you couldn't see nothing. He was just cruising. And this dumb bitch was like tailgating him. I'm gonna zoom. Are you going to the races? You going to the races?
No.
No?
I got work tomorrow. Gotta make that money. Gotta make that money.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, that shit sounds so great. I think he's about to park with the other Subis.
Yeah, he's parking over with the other Subis. Because I was wondering if he was going to end up parking over there or not.
What's him doing?
Parking that last one that's right there.
Oh, it's open?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you do tricks? Board, huh?
Can you do tricks?
This is a longboard. You can't do tricks on it.
I see people do tricks on it.
These kind?
Yeah.
Hard as shit.
That's the one. What the fuck? It's where's this car from? That was the one from the races. Yeah. It's like the other one. I think that's him right there. I think. Come on, truck. We had this. Come on. Is that him right there? The one with the white one? Or he has like the thing on his
I don't know.
Hold on, I'm gonna have to message
Back,
him.
you gotta go the opposite way. Go the opposite way, motherfucker.
Who?
This person is big ass fucking SUV right here.
Dog, I told you, non-car people are fucking stupid as shit. Are they fucking Virginia drivers?
So my question is, why are you taking like pictures
Vlog footage. I don't take pictures.
or videos with? I mean, like, doesn't this have the Bluetooth thing on it?
Bluetooth? No. I told you I'm post.
See, this thing got the built-in Bluetooth thing in it.
Oh, fuck yeah.
I love that shit. I love that shit. I'm like, oh shit, I'm on the phone. That was lit. That was lit, yo.
He's evil. He's evil.
No hate.
I still love you though.
I know.
Hey, what? Don't be taking pictures of my people. My people. Yeah, so the meet got shut down.
We're moving it to a different place.
Yeah, but we're moving it. And it got shut down for like no reason because of the property manager. Listen. Come here, nut job.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.